Spokane police have arrested a man for allegedly holding his girlfriend hostage and then torturing her with a torch. Also, investigators say it wasn't the first time that Jason Grebe had assaulted that woman. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey working for you tonight on why victims have such a hard time escaping abusive relationships. Jeff?
This lady had already been manhandled once, but decided to go back to her boyfriend after Jason Grebe said he was sorry and that he would never hurt her again. Domestic violence experts worry that can be a fatal mistake, but say what happened the second time is in no way the victim's fault.
Hi, Spokane Police Department, how are you doing?
Domestic violence is the Spokane Police Department's #1 call for service. The #1 reason for SWAT team standoffs.
Pulled another knife out of his pocket and put it up to his throat.
And unfortunately, the driving force behind the majority of our homicides.
80% of our homicides are domestic violence related here in Spokane, and it definitely is a factor that we have to consider when we're looking at domestic violence cases like these.
Police say what happened inside this North Spokane home last night came very close to a homicide. This is where Jason Grebe grabbed a shotgun and allegedly pointed at his girlfriend's chest, threatening to kill her. Remarkably, the victim had moved out 2 days earlier after a July 18th assault, but went back to her abusive boyfriend's place out of fear of what Grebe might do next.
The victim is trying to make herself safe, and so if she's being threatened or her family's being threatened for her, unless she comes back, she's probably going to go back because she's trying to make sure the violence doesn't happen to someone else that she cares about.
Police say that's how Grebe controlled his alleged victim, threatening to kill her family. Experts wish after the first beatdown that the woman had contacted the YWCA for help. Most victims don't realize they've been brainwashed by their abusers, or that there are a lot of advocates ready to help them escape a dangerous relationship.
At the YWCA, we'll absolutely do everything we can to help victims. We have counseling services, we have shelter, we have family law services, protection order services, housing services, and then we'll also help them through the criminal case if there is one that's pending.
Miss Chitwood wants you to know that if you get clobbered by someone who's supposed to be in love with you, that might be your first and only warning. You need to find a new partner. Not calling police or calling for help could be the last mistake you ever made. Reporting in Spokane, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.